do the seminar next.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I am fine. What about you, children?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Thank you.
Okay, so children, we are doing today revision test on chapter. Tell me. Chapter? Which chapter?
Decimal.
Decimals. Okay. So before writing the test, let's quickly revise. So children, here I have a decimal number. Okay. Yashika, how to read this number? Yashika, how to read this number? Yashika, I'm asking one by one.
25.7.
Huh? 25.
25.70.
25 point. Yes. How to read?
17.
Like that can we read? What's the mistake, Siddharth? Tell me. She's saying 17. How to read this number?
17.
17. Yes. After the decimal point, children, we have to 17. We have to separate. We cannot say together. Okay, Yashika? How to read this? 25.17. Okay. Adhika, tell me what is the integral part here? Integral part.
25.
Huh? What's that?
25.
That we can write, can say together. 25. Yes. We can read that as 25. So this is the integral part. Okay, integral. And integral part is also known as whole number. Okay, whole number. Irene, what is this 17? What part?
Decimal.
We can say this is decimal part, and decimal part is also known as fractional. Okay, fractional part. Fractional. Okay. Now, children, 25.17, the same number, I want to convert into fraction. What's the answer?
2517 by 100.
2517 by 100. See here, after the decimal point, we have 1, 2 decimal places. So the denominator also have 2 zeros. So children, if I have 25.7, 25.7, what will write the answer? What's that? Who is speaking in between? Yes.
Ma'am, I leave and join. So what?
No. Just we are just revising only. Okay, we have not written anything till now. Okay, so children, I have written one more question here. 25.7. I want to write this in fraction. Yes, Akshara, what's the answer?
2500.
My dear, this is the question. This is the question.
25.07.
That is already decimal. I want fraction. Here, what we have done, 2517 by 100. Here I have 2. What is the first step?
Write the number without.
Okay, write the number without decimal point. Now tell me the denominator.
1.
1. After that,
0.
yes, 1 and 1 0. See children, here after the decimal point we have only one place, decimal place. So you have to write 1 0. 1, don't say 1 1 what? 1 0 we have to write. So here what is the difference between this question and here this one? Here we have after the decimal place we have only one digit, one decimal place. So after the 1, we should place only 1 0. Here after the decimal point, we have 2 digits. That's why here also 2 0. Okay, the number of decimal places is equal to number of zeros. So children, are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Yes. Take out your rough book and please listen to my instruction. Some children till the end they will ask whether we had to write the question. And what about these children whose videos are off? Only Raika told me about the network problem. What about others? Naila, Adinath, Sribhadra, Krishna, all the children, please turn on your camera. So children, I will write the question. You have to write the question because all these we are learning because we have a test. You can revise it later also. So children, please take the rough book, write down revision test. Revision test. Chapter 10, decimals. Everything you have to write. Then only when you study later, you can understand this chapter is done. And next day, we can do chapter 9 like that. Question number 1. All the children mute your device. And close your workbook. Only rough book should be open now. The whole part in the decimal number is also known as dash part. Write the question, write the answer. Question number 2. Convert 6.75 into fraction. Again, question number 3 also same like that. Convert 67.5 into fraction. Question number 4. Convert 75 by 100 into decimal. Again, question number 5. Convert 75 by 10 into decimal. Question number 6. Read only 6 questions now. Write the question, write the answer faster. I can give you 10 minutes. So what do you have to do? Take out your rough book and write the questions faster. Those who joined now, please take out your rough book, write down the question and write down the answer. We are doing revision test on chapter 10 decimals.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What is sixth one?
Huh? Read means how to write the number name. How to read this number. Read means how you are reading, that you have to write. Okay. If you are reading there, I cannot give that. How to read that number, that you have to write. Just now we were doing that revision here. Yes.
Ma'am, we should write the question.
Yes, you have to write the question. How many questions over?
Ma'am, I am doing sixth question.
I will give you 3 more minutes. If you are doing more questions faster, then only we can do. If you are doing faster, we can do more questions.
Am I completed?
Very easy. There is no much big question. Just to write to like simple one step answers.
I'm finished.
Raika, can you give me the answer of question number 1? Are you there, Raika?
Yes, ma'am.
First,
Answer. I'm right.
question number 1. The whole, from where the disturbance? I told only Raika. Raika, is there a problem with the network?
Ma'am, I not finished. Ma'am, can you share it?
Ma'am.
Okay, tell me the answer of question number 1.
So,
The whole part in the decimal number is also known as answers. We will write here. You can please check your answer, and all the question is 1 mark, and this is out of 6. You can count how many correct answer. Yes.
Ma'am, I can say.
Not audible. Yes, Dia, tell me the answer. Dia, please tell me who is speaking now. It's not clear.
Ma'am, Advaid, I think he bought a new headphone. That's why.
Advait, mute your device. Okay, Anna, tell me the answer now. Question number 1. The whole part in the decimal number, it is also known as?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Those children who are getting the chance, they are not able to unmute. What's the problem there, Anay? Yes, tell me the answer, children.
Integral part.
Integral part. The whole number, it is also known as the integral. Look at the spelling. Integral part. So here you can write here, integral part. If your answer is correct, you can put the tick mark, and that is 1 mark question. And next one. To convert a decimal into fraction. First, what we have to do, children? First,
Write the number without decimal point.
Yes, write the number without any decimal point. 675 divided by, then Then what we had to check?
The decimal part.
Decimal part. How?
Count the decimal part.
So what's the answer here? 675 divided by
100.
100. Okay, very good. Why? Because here there are two decimal places, that much zeros we have to add. Okay, in the denominator. And next question, question number 3. Abhinav, tell me the answer. Again, write the number without any decimal point. Okay. Then what's the denominator here?
5.
Huh?
5.
675 divided by
10.
10.
huh? 10. Is there any number we will write here? We will write the either 10, 100, 1000 only. Are we using any other number?
No.
1 followed by how many zeros are there? Either it can be 1 0. If the decimal part is only one digit, the denominator have only 1 0. If the decimal part is 2 digit, what will be the denominator? If the decimal 100, okay. If the decimal part is 3 digit, what will be the denominator? 1000. Yes. So what's the answer here? Abhinav, tell me. 675. Write the number without any decimal point. Any way we have to first write 1, then check the how many zeros. Here only 1 digit. So how many? Only 1 0. Okay, question number 4. Siddharth, read question number 4.
Okay, ma'am. Convert 55 by 100
question?
into decimal.
Which question? Can you read it again? Question number 4.
Convert 55 by 100.
Is it 55? Is it 55? Can you see what's number here?
75
75 by
100 into decimals.
Okay, decimal. So what's the answer?
0.75.
Very good. See children, here what we are going to do? Converting the fraction. See here this conversion, what we are doing in decimal to fraction, they are just reverse. You have to see here 75 by 100. So first I will write the number, that numerator. Then count how many places, how many zeros? 2. So after 1, 2 digit, I will put the decimal point. So there is no number here. Integral part is 0. So how to write that answer? 0.75. 0.75. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell the next one?
75. Yes, Deros. Tell me question number 5.
7.5.
Very good. 7.5. See children, here we will write first 75. Then count the 0 here, only 1 0. So after from the right side, after 1 digit, you have to place the decimal point. So where we will place between 7 and 5. So the answer is 7.5. 7.5. Now the last question, Andrea, question number 6. Can you read? Read means the number. Tell me which number is there. Question number 6.
34.75.
Very good. 34. 34.75. 75. 34 point. We cannot write 75 together. After the decimal point only we have to separate the digits. 34.75. How many got all 6 out of 6? Can you raise your hand? Yes, Abhinav, you got that time you said 5, the denominator, and you got correct.
I didn't understand.
Huh?
That I didn't understand, but I wrote the correct answer.
You wrote the correct answer, but when I asked you, you got little confusion what I'm asking. Yes? Yes. Okay, so you got correct answer. Many children got correct answer. Is there who got 5 out of 6? Raise your hand. 5 out of 6. Yes, Arav, you got 5 out of 6. What was the mistake? What was the mistake? Which question?
Ma'am, the fourth one.
Fourth one. What happened?
I have some confusion.
Now it's okay. Here there are two zeros. So what you have to do after 1, 2 digits, you have to place the decimal point. Is that clear now?
Okay.
Okay, so those who have made mistakes, what you have to do, don't make that mistake. Now itself you have to understand your mistake. Now, can we do little more question? That expanded form, expanded form, place value chart. Now, first you have to draw the place value chart. Okay, children, do it fast. Question number 7, we will do now here. Before that, draw the place value chart. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and ones. After ones, what we have?
Decimal point. Decimal point.
Decimal point. Decimal point. After the decimal point, which is the next place?
Tenth.
Tenth. Okay, tenths. Then we have hundreds. And right here, tenths. Tenths. Hundredth. Hundreds. So I will write here one number. You have to write in expanded form.
Ma'am, we have to write in the box also.
First, you write the question in the place value chart. Then below that, you have to write expanded form. This is question number 7. Expanded form. One minute, children, be regular in the class. Some children, they're taking leave in between and all. And you, when you come again, you will get some confusion. Be regular in the class. And all these days, we will do revision for your PT2 exams. Okay. And if any doubt, you have to please practice.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the final exam only this chapter will be there.
What?
In the final exam only this chapter will be there.
My dear Daros, this is not final exam. This is only PT2 exam. Okay, PT2 exam, we have 3 chapters, not 2. 8, 9, and 10. Yes?
Ma'am, not that in the final exam after PT2, the final test.
And that everything we will inform. Okay, we will inform.
Okay. Ma'am, finish.
Finished.
Ma'am, not finished.
I will give you 1 more minute.
Ma'am,
Right,
I finished. Ma'am, finish.
So children will discuss the answer now. How to write the expanded form of the number 3576.15. How to read this number, Advaita? How to read this number?
35.
Huh? Yes? How to read this?
Answer 3000. 76.
15. Okay. 3000. Okay. Here we have 3 in place, 3 in 1000. So, give me the answer, the expanded form.
3 into 1000
1000. Yes. Plus
plus 5 into
Plus
100
5 into 100.
5 into 100 plus
plus 7 into 10
7 into 10 plus
plus 0 into 1.
where is 0?
6 into 1.
Here the number is 6. It's looking like 0. It is only 6. In which place? Ones place. 6 in ones place. 6 into 1. Okay. Then after the decimal point, we have two more numbers. 1 and
1
5.
into 1 by 10.
So decimal
into
point
1 by
also
10.
we will put plus. Okay. After that 6 into 1 plus 1
Plus
into
1 into 1 by 10.
1 into 1 by 10 plus
5 into 1 by
5 into
100.
1 by 100. 5 into 1 by 100. Children,
I
please
got
check
the
whether you
same
got
answer.
the answer.
Yes.
So, okay. So, children, today we were doing revision for chapter 10, decimals. Tomorrow, the next class, you had to study which chapter? Chapter 9.
Fraction.
Fractions 2. Chapter 9, fractions 2. We are going back. After 10, we are going. But tomorrow, two people said they will do seminar. Can you raise the hand again? Akshara and Irene. Okay, please prepare for the seminar. And any topic you can select, and we will do 2 seminar plus revision on chapter 9. Okay, children. Now I'll take your attendance.